Hello friends, welcome to my channel Focus on Science. Today's topic is matter and states of matter. Question is that what is matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Clothes, stones, plants, animals, water and food are all made up of matter since they occupy space and have mass. Even the air around us is matter. All matter has two common properties. First, matter has mass and matter occupies space. Composition of matter. Matter is composed of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms do not always exist independently, so they combined with other atoms to form molecules. An atom is the smallest unit of all matter, which shows all the properties of matter. Molecule. Molecules are the group of atoms that show all the properties of matter and can exist independently. States of matter. Matter can exist in three different forms or state. The three states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. The molecules are held differently in solids, liquids and gases. There is a space between the molecules of matter known as intermolecular space. The force with which the molecules are attracted towards each other is known as intermolecular force of attraction. The intermolecular force of attraction depends upon the intermolecular space. The greater the intermolecular space, the lesser will be the intermolecular force of attraction and vice versa. Solids. In solids, the particles are closely packed together. Thus, they have very less intermolecular space. The intermolecular force of attraction between the particles is very strong that they cannot move freely. Solids have fixed shape and volume and cannot be compressed easily. Solids do not flow and do not need any container to hold. Solids can only change their shape by force. For example, table, chair, ice, blackboard, book, etc. Liquids. Liquid particles are less closely packed in comparison to solids and thus have some amount of intermolecular space to move. The intermolecular force of attraction between the particles is not as strong as in solids. Liquids have a fixed volume but not fixed shape. Liquids take the shape of the container which holds them. Liquids can be compressed to a certain extent. Liquids can flow and need a container to hold them. For example, water, milk, juice, oil, coffee, and so on. Gases. In gases, the particles are very loosely arranged and thus they have large intermolecular space to move freely. The intermolecular force of attraction between the particles is negligible. Due to negligible force of attraction between the particles, gases do not have fixed shape and volume. Gases can be compressed easily. Gases can flow and need a container to hold. For example, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, and so on. Matter changes its state. All three states of matter are interchangeable. For example, ice is a solid. When heated, melts into liquid and becomes water. Water is heated, it changes into vapors. Similarly, when we cool water vapor, it changes into water, and when water is cooled further, it becomes ice. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share.